So hey you guys, welcome back to Jessie DIY, and today I will be opening up this package. So this package is fidget toy blind bag, and lots of people have been doing this on TikTok. So basically, you just in the back you see what kinds of fidget toys that they have. They have the good, kind of good, okay, medium, bad, horrible, and disaster. So and then in your blind bag, there will be like 6 or to 7 or to 8 or like 10 surprises, and then on it we'll have a dot that represents the kind of toy. So if you still don't know how to do it, watch a TikTok so that you can know. And this blind bag is for ages 5 and 2. But let's get into the warning. Okay guys, this is a warning that this is not real, so there's nothing real as a fidget toy blind bag, so it's like, yeah. Let's get started. Anyways. Okay, you guys. So let's just open it up. So let's just peel. Okay, I'm gonna peel a little bit here. Okay, we have our first blind bag. It feels kind of bouncy, and it's this color. So this color on here is. It's this color. It's bad. Okay, I'm not ready for it. Well, let's see what we have here. Ooh, what is this? What is this? Ooh. Oh, it's a bouncy ball. That's not really good. See, it's a bouncy ball. It's not really good. Let me take that away. Yeah, just focus it right here. Focus. Can you guys even see it? Yeah. Okay, so I wasn't even looking at the camera. So the next one, ooh, this one is gigantic. So this one is this color, and I know that this is good because I already saw that list. Ooh, it's something pink. It's the dinosaur squishy. I've always wanted it. Oh my goodness, it's such a nice dinosaur. Oh, it's so cute. It's so cute. Look. That's cool. So it's pretty. It's rising. And it's pretty good. It smells awesome. So I like the heart in the middle too. So yeah, it is pretty good. The next one is red, and red is okay. Not bad. So it's not bad. Ooh. Oh, by looking at it, it's a marble mesh. Can you guys see? Okay, it's a marble mesh. It's literally, oh. It's kind of broken. Yeah, I would say it's an okay. Yeah, I might say it's bad. I don't really like it. Yeah. I don't like this marble mesh. Yeah, I don't like this marble mesh. So, yeah, I'll say it's bad. It's not good. It always like pops out like something, so I don't like it. So it's bad. And the next one we have is this pink little small one. I don't even know what this is. And the pink one is horrible. It's really, really bad. Oh, I see something orange here. I don't even know if that is the fidget toy that we have. Ooh, it's kind of clear. I wonder what it is. Oh, it's one of those, you know, those figures, those glass figures. It's one of those glass figures. And it's like green here, and it's made of diamond. I wouldn't say this is that bad. I would say like this is like good. or kind of good, or okay, or medium. This is definitely medium. This, we had to focus it, is super good. I like it. So it's pretty nice. And the next one we have is this green one. I feel something. I don't even know. But the green one is medium. So it's definitely kind of good, I guess. Oh, what is this? It's kind of like a roller coaster. Oh, okay, so I think it's a tangle, right? You call it. The tangle is pretty cool. I like it. It's kind of homemade. So, yeah. And we have one last one. This is really big. This is kind of good. Okay. Let's say it's that bad. I can't even saw it. Let's see. What is? Oh, wait. It's one of these putty containers. Oh, I got a big bouncing lab putty. That's really cool. Let's open it up. Oh, okay. Looks like this is totally new. No one has ever played with it before. But it's pretty nice. There's a lot of bubbles. Let me try if it does bounces. Let me try it. Let me put the paper away since it's putty. You know? No. Okay. Oh my goodness, it does bounce. Oh my goodness. That's so magic. Oh my goodness, ah! Okay, so you guys, as you can see, it does bounces. It does actually bounce. So yeah, but my favorite one is this dinosaur. How can I focus things? So my favorite one is the dinosaur. My second favorite one is this. My third, let me show you. My third favorite one is this. My fourth favorite one is this. And my fifth, this. And my sixth, I don't like this at all. This. So, yeah, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This video, just to tell you, this is a complete total skit.